Have you ever wanted to design and 3D print something from a computer? Well, here's your chance. Your Fort Worth Public Library is hosting a CAD contest to see who can build the strongest bridge. Sound like fun? Here's what you need to know. If you're in 6th through 12th grade, you're eligible to participate. Your bridge can be up to 7 inches long, 2 inches tall, and 1 inch deep. Your print can take a maximum of 2 hours to be created, and you're only allowed to submit one design. It's got to be your original work. When you are ready to print your bridge, visit a Fort Worth Public Library and use one of our 3D printers to print it in ABS filament. Then submit your work to the front desk along with your submission form and design file. Everything must be sent to the library before it closes at 8 p.m. on Tuesday, September 30th. Each bridge will be stress tested and must be able to accommodate an S-hook. So remember to include space in your design. And don't get too attached to your bridge because we'll break it in the judging process. The grand prize winner will receive a 3D printer and the runner-up will get a 3D printing pin. Good luck and happy designing!